One of the things that the depositions do and is really to test your credibility and to see if you're a credible witness and also challenge you on your claims, challenge you on your positions and your allegations. So preparation is important. So how do you prepare? Preparation, the first thing you got to do is be familiar with the pleadings. When I mean the pleadings, if you are the plaintiff, is to be familiar with the complaint, with the allegations on the lawsuit. So you have a copy of those. So you got to read those documents beforehand. In DAGA, you don't have to memorize them, but you got to read them, be familiar with them, be familiar with the allegations that are made. But it's important to read it because the attorney on the other side is going to ask you questions about the specific allegations in that lawsuit, or if you're defending that lawsuit, on the specific statements that you made in the affirmative defenses or your denials. So understanding what the lawsuit says and also understanding what defenses you're raising are very important. You got to read your answers to the discovery. In most cases, or in many cases, in my experience, by the time you have a deposition taken, you already have answered some discovery requests. Discovery requests are interrogatories, requests for production of documents, and requests for admissions. So, we talked about discovery documents in prior podcasts, but I'll just briefly tell you what they are. So it is important that you review the answers to your own interrogatories, review the answers to the request for admissions, and review the answers to the request for production of documents.